Salut, soyez les bienvenus à Learn French with Sonia. Hello, you're welcome back to Learn French with Sonia. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les couleurs en français. Today, we're going to be learning colors in French. Let's get right into it. The first one here says blanc, blanc. If you take a look, you see that it's ending with a C. And I'm not pronouncing the C, am I? It's not blanc, it is blanc. Blanc, and blanc is what? White. Blanc, white. Let's continue. The next one says noir, noir, noir. That is black, black. All right, noir, noir. The next one is jaune, jaune, jaune. La couleur jaune. Color yellow, color yellow. La couleur jaune, jaune. All right, let's continue. Bleu, 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 bleu. Celle-là, c'est la couleur bleue. All right, bleu, which is bleu. The next one is vert, and vert is green. Vert is green. If you take a look at my background, you'll see this. This is couleur verte. This is vert. This is jaune. This is bleu. This is bleu as well. This is noir. Let's continue. L'orange. Orange, which is orange color. And then the last one is rouge. Rouge, which is the red color. Now I'll give you the list of colors. I want you to repeat after me this time around. Okay, take note of these colors. Let's go. Bleu, bleu, which is blue. Let's continue. Vert, vert, which is green. Rouge, 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 which is red. Orange, orange, which is orange color. Orange, all right. Jaune, jaune, yellow. Jaune, yellow. Noir, noir, which is black. And then the last one, which is blanc, it is white. Let's take a little exercise. Now in this exercise, I'll be displaying the colors on my screen, and then I want you to give me the color in French. All right, if you get it wrong, do not panic, I'll correct you. Okay, let's continue. Okay, if you got it right, bravo. If you do not get it correctly, calm down. We'll go over the correction together. Okay, the color here is rouge. Rouge, rouge. The next one. Okay. Bleu, bleu, bleu. Let's continue. Vert, vert, vert. Noir, noir, noir. And then one last time, or the last one. Orange, orange. Now if you got this orange correctly, yeah, I know it is because this orange is the same as orange in English. So to make it easier for you, where you see blue, know that it's blue. Where you see orange, know that it is orange. These are the basic colors that you meet every day. All right, let's know these basic ones. They are not primary. They are the basic ones that you meet on your day-to-day activities. You see your noir, you see your rouge, you see your bleu, you see your blanc, like the color of this house now is blanc. The color of the television is noir. The color of the flower here is vert. The color of the pillow here is jaune. Jaune. The color of my hair bonnet is blue, and the color of my clothes is noir as well. So do well to practice on your own. Practice on your own. Try to remember them every day. Try to remember them while you continue with your activities. How do you do this, or how do you try to exercise this knowledge? Now, when you get to your office, to your workplace, try to identify these colors. This is jaune. Try to identify these colors when you see them in your space, in your workplace, in your school environment, do you understand? Anywhere that you are, try to identify them. Oh, I saw couleur jaune. I saw couleur vert. Couleur verte. This is it. And then I saw rouge. This is rouge in there. It is rouge actually. Alright. So in the next class, we're going to talk about the other colors, the purple, the pink, and the rest of them, the brown. Alright. But now, let us know these ones. As time goes on, I will explain the reason for vert and verte, the reason for blanc and blanche. Alright, but for now, let me not confuse you with all of that. Let's know these ones. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.